Hi everyone, this is Annette with my scrapbook recorder, and this, I know I had my daylight bulbs, but I'm noticing still some shadow, but not so bad. And so my background is basil cardstock pen, and I thought you were going to spill my drink. I was trying to move it as you jump up. You silly boy. I'd still be asleep if Coco didn't wake me up at 2:30, and then I couldn't go back to sleep, so I laid there for 30 minutes, and I said, forget it, I'm getting up. So this is a picture that my friend took of her daughter in the leaves, and it's a precious picture. I love the picture, so I'm going to scrapbook that, of course. And then I sent her the layouts, which I need to get together all the layouts I have done thus far and start putting them in. I'm going to use the box that my hip kit comes in, and once I go through my layouts and I sort those, because I have a binder for my dog layouts, for my Coco layouts, I have my binder for my kitty layouts, and then I have my binder for my family, and then I even have another binder for my Iowa family. I don't have them done by year, which I would like to, like do 2019, and I might do that as I'm going through them. Is the ones that I know are from 2020 go ahead, and so that way it's by year. I might do that. Anyway, so that pink pattern, or peach, I call it a peach pattern, that is actually left over from the September kit, which this is my first layout using the October kit. And so, of course, my background is Basil cardstock. That peach layer, which is Pink Fresh Studios Days of Splendor from the September kit. And that leaf pattern, because she's laying in the leaves, so I had to use this. It's from Simple Stories Cozy Days, which most of this kit is Simple Stories Cozy Days. As I was gluing this down, I was like, oh, I do really like that gray reverse side of that leaf pattern. So these three washies came in the kit, and one of them is this floral. So I am going to use that. I'm going to tuck it under the paper so enough of that peeks out so you can totally see the florals. And then on the other side, I'm going to use the polka dotted washi, and I'm going to wrap that to the other side. And then I have this frame, chipboard frame, that came in the kit that I'm going to use from Simple Stories Cozy Days. And the washi tape is Simple Stories as well. And I'm going to go ahead and write my products, and of course Theo has to intervene, and then I think that's why I stop, because I know I stop and have to leave, and I think that's when Coco came in and was wanting outside. Oh, excuse me, sorry. So I'm going to put my picture down, and then I embellish around that. Yeah, Theo is the reason I stop. because he lays down for some lovin's and attention, and I can't do anything more until he leaves. And so, and I saved the leaves from the September die cut. One leaves and the other comes, because I knew I had this picture and I wanted the leaves to be floating around the page, just like they're falling. And it would give me that opportunity to use up the leaves, which I normally wouldn't use. So let's see. And the die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio Days of Splendor from the September kit. I did not use any of the die cuts from the October kit. And then there's these little circle frames that I'm going to use as a base for my title. It's going to be Hello Fall, which is the Simple Stories Cozy Days foam stickers. There are a lot of phrases. And I didn't take as much pictures for my Thanksgiving meal that I cooked. I got the turkey and I took a picture of one of the pies before I cooked it. I'm like, oh, I should get Alex's brother to send me, because he took a ton of pictures. And I bet he posted them on his Facebook. I could steal them from there. I bet he posted them on Facebook. I never looked. I'm gonna have to go back and see. I spent from 9 in the morning until almost about 1:30, I think I finished cooking the meal for Thanksgiving. Yeah. So anyway, so this is where now I'm going to use some more of these chipboard flares from Pink Fresh Studios Days of Splendor, because I was like, hey, I can fit these in here. Almost done, Patton. I told him I'd feed him after I'm done with this one. And I wanted to maybe use some in and around there, but it just didn't look right to use them there. So I'm going to use them around my embellishment clusters and my title. And then that's it. I thought about using some of the sequins maybe around in there, but so I'm just taking a look-see and seeing, and I was like, no, we're good. I leave it with that. And so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.